Hello, welcome to this set of videos on learning from worked examples. As a student, you have your textbook, your math textbook, and in your math textbook, there are hundreds of worked examples like the one you see on your screen. You see the problem solved, but you don't know how the author got from step 1 to step 2 and step 3 and so on. Now, if you are like most students, you probably try to memorize the problem. You try to cram the problem. You go over the problem repeatedly so that it can stick in your mind. You probably take your highlighter and highlight sections of the problem. Or you probably write down notes in the margin of your book or in your notebook. Most students would approach learning from worked examples in that way. But that is not the most effective way to learn from worked examples in your textbook. Fortunately, a number of educational psychologists, educators, and cognitive scientists have conducted a series of experiments to determine which is more effective, what method is more effective for learning from worked examples in your textbook. And they have discovered 6 different methods that you can use to learn effectively from worked examples in your textbook. As far as I'm aware, most schools in the Caribbean and in Guyana do not teach you how to learn from worked examples in your textbook. As a former teacher at Queen's College, I'm aware that students are not taught how to learn from worked examples. They are taught what to learn. For example, learn how to solve an equation involving fractions, like this one here. But you're not shown how to learn it from the example. So in this series of videos, you'll not only learn what to learn, you learn how to learn from worked examples, what methods to use to learn more effectively from worked examples, and you learn where and when you can apply the different methods of learning to different types of worked examples. You learn also problem-solving strategies. You learn, for example, that you need to ask yourself certain set of questions that enable you to grasp the solution to any problem. For example, have you seen a similar problem like this before? What problem is this? What are the givens here? What are the unknowns? What are the operations involved? What skills are being tested here? What knowledge is the CXC examiners testing here? What abilities? In what context can I use the skill? Where will this skill be useful? When would this skill be useful? What is the pattern here? And so on. So don't just look for the right answer or try to cram the problem. Learn and apply the science-backed strategies for learning from worked examples. Enjoy.